What's Popping with me? I'm Neha, and today I will be talking about The Royal Treatment. It's a movie starring Laura Marano and Mena Massoud. Now, Laura is a hairstylist and Mena Massoud is a prince. Now, this hairstylist gets a chance to style the prince for his wedding, and then she goes there, she meets the prince. The prince is really sweet. He's not somebody who's, very nonchalant. Now, this girl takes the prince out to places and she teaches him that you should always follow and lead by your heart. Now, Mena Massoud is thinking if he actually has to get married to this girl because he doesn't really love her. Now, if he calls the wedding off or he doesn't, now that's for you to watch. I will be back with more. Until then, like, share, subscribe, follow us on all our socials. Have loads of fun, like I always say, and bye.
Come on, you two.
I hardly know Lauren. This is nothing but an arranged marriage.
Oh,